So you're in isolation because it's COVID-19 lockdown the world over, and it happens to be a milestone birthday that you had been planning and looking forward to for 2 years, but you had to cancel all those plans. How are you going to celebrate your milestone birthday? Well, watch and see. Hi, I'm Hila. Today is my 40th birthday, and I'd been looking forward to my 40th birthday. I was actually going to have a party for the first time in my life. I have never had a birthday party at all. But we find ourselves in the middle of COVID-19. I have a chest infection that I'm fighting off because I'm asthmatic, but it's my birthday. It's my goddamn 40th birthday, and I am going to celebrate my birthday. This is a very unconventional guide on how to celebrate a milestone birthday when you are stuck inside and can't go anywhere. And you can't even go and do shopping for your own food to plan your menu. So anyway, there it goes. So anyway, step one, get some lipstick on. Doesn't matter that I'm coughing and I'm not feeling well. Gonna put my lipstick on. Gonna zhuzh up my hair and wear my favorite outfit. And also, breakfast in bed. Egg and bacon sandwich to start off my day. So what does it mean to be 40? I think being 40 means to dance like nobody is watching. To dance like I don't give a crap about what anybody else thinks. To dance when there is no music. To dance when there's just music in my head. And not care. I think that's what it means to be 40. And to also celebrate your 40th birthday, a milestone birthday, whilst you are in lockdown and in quarantine. Also means just chilling to take a nap whenever I feel like it because my chest infection is making me so tired. I mean, what does it mean to be 40? Butterflies? What is 40? I should find a poem about being 40. Meanwhile, I have to go deal with head lice on one of my kids. Maybe that's what it means to be 40. Head lice treatment. Also spending my 40th birthday checking my temperature, making sure I don't have a fever and that I don't have coronavirus. 37 degrees, I'm happy with that. My temperature's gone down by 0.5. Awesome stuff. Never mind, I couldn't find a poem about being 40 that was quite nice. Most of them were a bit limericky. So what next? What am I going to do? What does a 40-year-old do? I think I'll go and check on my plants outside now. Sun's just come out. Marigolds. And cabbage. There's nothing growing here yet. Forget-me-nots. Beautiful, lovely forget-me-nots. have lines? Do I have wrinkles? Is that what it means to be 40? Or is it my hands? Do my hands show that I'm 40? Maybe I should start looking after my hands. On my face. I should get some Botox. Or is it my neck? No, you're supposed to do that. Is my neck supposed to tell me how I'm supposed to be 40? Or is Vogue going to tell me what it means to be 40? Just gonna read some Vogue. I've decided, after extensive research and reading so much stuff about aging, that I think turning 40, I can kind of call myself a grown-up. Yeah?
Bullshit!
Make a wish first, yeah?
Yeah. If you tell someone it won't come true.
Tell somebody comes to.
Oh.
Didn't you want me wrong? And you got it. Oh, this one. Stop dancing in front of me. It's okay.
Steve, how was that?
No, I wasn't the last
You're on a
one.
pillow, sorry.
Yeah.
Oh no, everybody has a pillow. So nobody...
Oh, no. Oh.
I think I saw Tintin.